What's up guys, this is Inventordude 14. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the iPod Video 5th generation, and we're going to see if we can fix this cracked screen. First stop was eBay to pick up this repair kit, which came with a replacement screen, as well as tools to help me get into the iPod Video. This kit cost only $30. I then had to get the iPod Video out of its protective casing, which unfortunately didn't seem to do its job this time. After that, I used the prying tool in order to slowly go around the edges of the iPod until I could get inside. Once inside, the hard drive was blocking our access to the screen, so it had to be removed. I also took this time to remove the backing of the iPod, which had the connectors for both the battery as well as the audio connector. It was then time to remove the tiny outer screws that held the outside to the inside frame. After disconnecting the ribbon cable, I was easily able to remove the broken display and get ready to install the replacement. I then slid the screen into place, put the ribbon cable into the socket, and locked it in using the prying tool. I then peeled off the screen protector and reattached the front of the iPod. After reconnecting the audio and battery connectors, I was able to put the back on the iPod. After that, the front and back of the iPod simply snapped back together, and the iPod was good as new. And there, just like that, using a $30 kit from eBay, I was able to repair a 5th generation iPod Video. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.